Hey guys, okay, I know this is going to be a loud video. It's gonna be loud in the background, so bear with me. I'm kind of out and about today, but I kind of wanted to talk a little bit on the subject of diabetes and when you have problems with low blood sugar. It can be a lot of symptoms that you experience: dizziness, shakiness, feeling faint, maybe even about to lose consciousness. These are things you have to be careful of. It could be quite fatal. So I've been doing a little research. I'm going to do more research on it, but one thing that I do know for sure is there are problems that occur with your immune system that causes the immune system to attack the beta cells in the pancreas. And when that happens, it's difficult for the pancreas to produce adequate amounts of the hormone insulin. And then the insulin is what helps promote healthy levels of glucose in your blood, or healthy levels of blood sugar. So it could be an autoimmune disease. It could be hereditary. There are several things that could cause the immune system to attack those beta cells in the pancreas. So that's what I'm trying to get to the bottom of, because I want to help a lot of people who deal with that, whether you are diabetic or not. And if you ever feel the symptoms of low blood sugar, it's very low energy, and the feeling like you're just, it kind of reminds me of when your car is low on oil. You hear that ticking sound. You'll hear the ticking sound from the engine. And if you don't get your oil changed or topped off, when you don't get it topped off and changed and cleaned, sorry, I'm waiting for the cars to go by. That ticking sound will quickly turn into, it'll graduate into a rumbling or a shaking of the engine, which causes the car to, shake a little when you're driving. And so you're vibrating a little bit. The car is vibrating a little bit, So we're not talking about good vibrations with the body in this situation. So now it's a train. But I said all that to say, the one thing that you can do is like a hard reset. When your computer acts funny, you can hold down like Control Alt Delete, or you can hold down the power button and wait for it to just turn off completely and reset, right? Well, the way we can do that with our bodies is by fasting. And sometimes the immune system can turn on your body when there are viruses in the body. And based on a lot of research, and I have an ebook coming out about that, about viruses. Gosh, I hope you guys could hear me. But please don't give me a thumbs down for this video. Don't give me a thumbs down. But doing a reset by fasting, it causes the cells to regenerate. It causes your cells to regenerate and to clean out whatever is in them that doesn't belong, including viruses. So it can unlock the walls of the cells and allow the body to consume or eat up the things that don't belong. Good morning. So that's one of the things that fasting does. And it can, once you do that, your body can reset and go back to normal. You can start functioning normally again. That's one way to help yourself out if you have some type of autoimmune reaction or autoimmune. I think I said a word I wasn't supposed to say in here. But anyway, yeah, whenever you're dealing with autoimmune problems, you need to reset. And it may take a series of resets. It may not happen just with one. And you may not have the endurance and longevity to start off doing the type of reset that would, completely take you back to where you need to be. So you have to be patient with yourself, and you have to, go ahead and do what it takes. If that means, if you want to be aggressive and you can do every other week, you certainly can do that every other week. You probably would take supplements that would help you. In that. And just, fasting doesn't have to be just completely 100% no food, no water. You can have water, especially water with minerals in it. I love to encourage people to take sea moss when they're fasting because it has 92 of the minerals that we need, which in total was 102. Certain kinds of sea moss has the full 102 when it is supplemented with a couple other herbs. So these are just a few things to keep in mind. I know it's loud, but anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys that, and I'll get back to you guys soon.